Imagine this, you're climbing the stairs you've taken 1,000 times, but this time your legs feel shaky, like they're not quite listening to you. Or you reach for a bag of groceries, and it feels like you're trying to lift a pile of bricks. Maybe you've noticed it's harder to get up from your favorite armchair or carry your grandkids like you used to. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. And it's not just getting older. It's a silent condition called sarcopenia or age-related muscle loss, and it's stealing strength from millions of seniors. Here's the kicker. It can start as early as your 40s, and after 60, it accelerates fast. A 2020 study from the National Institute on Aging found that up to 50% of adults over 65 have significant muscle loss, impacting their independence and quality of life. But here's the good news. You can fight back. In today's video, we're diving deep into why seniors lose muscle mass, the subtle warning signs you might be missing, and the science-backed exercises and nutrition strategies to rebuild strength, even if you're in your 60s, 70s, or 80s. Plus, stick around till the end for a simple daily routine, backed by Mayo Clinic research, that can help you stay strong, balanced, and independent for years to come. Let's rewrite what aging looks like, together. So, why do seniors lose muscle mass? It's not just one thing, it's a perfect storm of factors. According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, adults start losing 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade after age 30. By your 60s, that can add up to feeling noticeably weaker. Let's break down the main culprits. First, hormonal changes. As we age, levels of testosterone and estrogen, think of them as your body's muscle-building crew, start to decline. This slows down how quickly your muscles repair and grow. Second, a sedentary lifestyle is like leaving your muscles on standby. They shrink from lack of use. Third, nutrition plays a massive role. If you're not getting enough protein or key nutrients like vitamin D, your muscles starve for the building blocks they need. Chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or arthritis can also chip away at muscle mass by causing inflammation or limiting movement. And here's something most people don't think about. Certain medications, like corticosteroids or some cholesterol-lowering drugs, can quietly weaken muscles as a side effect. For example, statins, taken by millions for heart health, can cause muscle pain or weakness in some people. If you're on medications, talk to your doctor about their impact on your muscles. Have you noticed weakness in your legs or difficulty carrying things you once found easy? Share your experience in the comments. I read and reply personally. Now, let's talk about the hidden warning signs of muscle loss. Many seniors don't realize they're losing muscle until it's advanced. Here are the early red flags. Difficulty rising from a chair without using your hands, slower walking speed, balance issues or frequent trips, clothes fitting looser around your arms and thighs, and feeling more tired from simple chores. A 2018 NIH study found that gait speed, how fast you walk, is one of the strongest predictors of longevity. If you're walking slower than you used to, muscle weakness might be to blame. Here's a quick self-check. Try timing how long it takes to walk 10 meters. If it's taking longer than it used to, it's time to take action. Before we dive into solutions, let's bust a few myths about muscle loss and aging. Myth number 1. It's too late to build muscle after 60. Not true. A 2021 study from the Mayo Clinic showed that even people in their 80s can gain significant muscle strength with the right training. Myth number 2. Exercise is dangerous for seniors. While you should always consult your doctor, properly designed exercises like the ones we'll cover are safe and effective for most seniors. Myth number 3. Muscle loss is just a normal part of aging. While some decline is natural, sarcopenia is not inevitable. You can slow it down or even reverse it with the right steps. Knowing the truth empowers you to take control. Here's the exciting part. Rebuilding muscle after 60 is absolutely possible. A Mayo Clinic study showed that even people in their 70s and 80s can gain significant muscle strength with resistance training. Why? Because your muscles have muscle memory and respond to training even after years of decline. The benefits are life-changing. Stronger bones, better balance, reduced fall risk, improved metabolism, and greater independence. Imagine walking upstairs with confidence or playing with your grandkids without feeling worn out. So, how do you rebuild muscle? Let's go through science-backed exercises for seniors. Always check with your doctor before starting, especially if you have health conditions. Here are 5 exercises to start with, and I'll walk you through one in detail. First, sit to stand from a chair strengthens your legs and mimics everyday movements. Here's how. Sit in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, and stand up without using your hands, then slowly sit back down. Aim for 8 to 10 reps twice a day. If that's too hard, start by using one hand for support and progress from there. Second, wall push-ups build upper body strength without straining joints. Stand arm's length from a wall, place your hands on it, and bend your elbows to bring your chest closer, then push back. Third, resistance band rows improve posture and back strength. Pull a band toward you while seated or standing. Fourth, heel raises boost calf strength and balance. Hold onto a counter, rise onto your toes, and lower slowly. Finally, light dumbbell lifts, 1 to 3 kilograms. Keep your arms strong, try bicep curls or shoulder presses. Picture yourself doing these at home, maybe while listening to your favorite music. Just 20 minutes, 3 times a week, can transform how you feel. Harvard Health found that regular strength training cuts fall risk by 40% in seniors. If you're new to exercise, start slow. Maybe join a senior fitness class or recruit a friend to make it fun. Exercise is only half the equation. You need the right fuel to rebuild muscle. Seniors should aim for 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For a 70-kilogram person, that's about 70 to 84 grams of protein. What does that look like? Start your day with 2 eggs and Greek yogurt for breakfast, about 20 grams of protein. For lunch, try a chicken salad with chickpeas, another 25 grams. Dinner could be grilled salmon with lentils, 30 grams. Snack on nuts or cottage cheese to fill gaps. Vitamin D is just as critical. Low levels weaken muscles. Get 15 minutes of safe sunlight or talk to your doctor about a supplement. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon or walnuts, boost muscle protein synthesis. And don't overlook hydration. Muscles need water to function. Aim for 8 to 10 cups of water daily, more if you're active. Finally, small doses of creatine, a supplement backed by Johns Hopkins research, can safely enhance muscle growth in seniors when paired with exercise. Always consult your doctor before adding supplements. So, what does a daily muscle-preserving routine look like? Here's a sample. In the morning, spend 10 minutes doing chair squats and heel raises. In the afternoon, take a brisk 15-minute walk around your neighborhood. In the evening, do 10 minutes with resistance bands or light weights. For meals, spread protein across the day. Think eggs for breakfast, chicken for lunch, fish for dinner. Stay hydrated and get those 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Want to make it fun? Track your progress in a journal or team up with a friend for a walking challenge. Imagine this. A year from now, you're climbing those stairs with confidence, carrying groceries with ease, and playing with your grandkids without feeling worn out. That's the power of fighting sarcopenia. Take Jane, a 72-year-old from Ohio, who started chair squats and a protein-rich diet last year. Today, she walks faster, feels stronger, and even joined a local walking group. You can do this too. Start small. Pick one exercise like heel raises and one meal tweak like adding eggs to breakfast. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. And tell me in the comments, which exercise will you try first? Thank you for watching Health Pulse Haven. Here's to a stronger, healthier you.